If your garage door opener remote control buttons are reversed and driving you nuts, here's how to fix that without losing your cool. Okay, first off, grab your remote and head over to your garage door opener unit, usually mounted on the ceiling. Look for the Learn button. It's often a small, colored button. Press and hold that button until the indicator light blinks or turns on. This gets the opener ready to accept new programming. Next, press the button on your remote that you want to assign correctly. This should sync up the remote with the opener's memory. If the buttons are still acting weird, try clearing the remote's memory by holding down the Learn button until the light goes off, then start fresh. Sometimes batteries can mess with the signals too, so swapping out old batteries might save you some headaches. Also, check if your remote model has a dip switch or a series of tiny switches inside. If so, make sure they match the opener settings. Keep in mind, different brands might have slightly different steps, so having your manual handy helps a lot. Once it's done, test each button a few times to make sure they open and close the door like they're supposed to. One of the biggest issues people run into with garage door opener remotes is mixed up button functions, usually because they skip reprogramming after a battery change or reset. The fix? Always reprogram your remote fully after swapping batteries or resetting the unit. Another common problem is interference from other devices that can confuse the signals. Moving other wireless gear away or changing frequencies can clear this up. Lastly, folks often forget to check for worn or dead batteries, which can cause weak signals and erratic behavior. Simple battery replacement usually does the trick. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to connect with reliable local contractors without all the guesswork. For contractors, it's an easy way to find new clients who need work done on their homes, making everything smoother for both sides.